How to scan documents on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive on your device. Then at the bottom left corner of your screen or right corner of your screen, you'll find plus sign. Click on it. Then at the bottom, click on Scan. After you've clicked on Scan, camera will open, scan your document. After that, you can crop, adjust corners, and press on Apply at the bottom right corner. After it's applied, you can crop it again, add filter. After you're done, press on Done at the top. Then select as PDF and press on Save at the top right corner of your screen, and you're good to go. You can simply search for your document in here, click on it, and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. At the bottom, click on Download and save it as document. This is how to scan document on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.